Nathan, do you like it here? Is this place really cool? Hi! Is this the coolest treehouse you've ever been in? Yeah, okay. This is the biggest treehouse I've ever been in. Tell everybody that's watching YouTube. It's 6 stories tall. We're in Ithaca, New York, and we found the biggest treehouse. Bling! Let's go find Nick and... Oh, how'd you get up there? We're gonna go find Nick and Nathan. Where do you think they went? There you are! Okay, go right up. There's so many hidden ways up here.